Welcome back, YouTube. Burkle here with Burktopian Adventures. Just got done with our fishing trip. We have something and a sight to show you guys. We had one of our best days out on this lake called Goose Lake. We got 2 4-pounders, strung up 8 fish total. Today we caught our PB of 25 fish out on here. All bass or rock bass, maybe even a bluegill or 2. So stay tuned to see these monster fish coming live to you soon.
28 says, due for another fishy come on, now we have faith.
Yeah, we are definitely due. Fish on.
You need a net?
Don't know yet.
Gaming 83 says, good morning, Burkle.
It's a good one.
Stay for fishing.
And the frog again.
Nice one there. Beautiful. Is he way up deep?
Yeah, he was up in the pad.
Yeah. I just did a cast.
Got it. All right, chat. That's 4 for me. That's going to be a keeper.
He's probably a 17-inch fish.
Fish on. Little one, yeah. Oh wait, oh, that is a bass. I saw the leaf on there and was like, what fish is that?
Butcher Block Gaming 83 says, how many have you caught?
Oh, you got a blue, oh, that's a nice bluegill though. It's a nice little, oh, that's a rock bass, yeah. Fish on. Oh yeah. I don't know if if he wrapped me up or not. Oh yeah, we got him. He's small. He's small. But we got him. Yep, he's small. But we got him.
You can't tell when they're in the weeds.
Nope. Well, he took it right into the into that weed. Yeah, no, that's a baby. He hit it though. But that's something you wouldn't get unless you have the frog and you get it back in there. Fish on. Good one? Seems like it could be good.
Could be good. Yeah, no, he's all right.
Still, it's a keeper. It's a small one, but it's a keeper.
He's good year for him. 13 inch. General.
Oh yeah, I was gonna say it looks bigger. That's what she said. 911 Burkle down. Oh no, what happened? I'm down? Oh, we're not down.
I need that one though to get the score back.
Yeah, it's 5-5 now.
That's what I'd say.
Jimmy, you better be keeping up. It's 5-5. You got one?
Yep, we hit it on the way in.
That was a nice one. It definitely came up for it.
Yeah.
It seems good. That's a good one.
Yeah, it's a good one. He's not the biggest of the day. That's going to be a hard one to get. You got a big fish in there, man.
Yeah, he came right on top.
Yeah, he hit it like a whip.
That's a nice one.
Yeah, yeah, he's a... Keep going. Hold on.
Yeah?
Hit it. Oh, he might be decent. No, he had a big bunch of weed. Yeah, go ahead and get him though. You can get him. Yeah.
Oh, he had a bunch of weeds, yep.
Yeah, that's why it was. Okay.
Yep.
Yeah, I figured once it saw it, I thought, oh crap, yeah, he just...
Man, Teen 87 says, good morning, sexy masturbator Burke. Yeah, I repeat, the Fox man says, good morning.
Yo.
PT28 says, sometimes one has to keep the woman happy in my life, so I tend to get called away a happy woman better life, hee hee.
Yeah, they say that. That's why I'm staying single. I don't have to worry about that problem.
PT28 says, long as you use a hook of anything, eventually you catch something.
Eventually, yeah.
Hyacinthru says, so jelly of you, Burkle, and her fishing streams miss fishing so much.
Yeah, you can watch me. Okay, we got a good one coming.
I don't know. Yeah, he might be cheaper. He felt better, but I think he was in the weeds. Get up here. Oh no, is it?
Not sure, but it's better to not lose it and see.
Butcher Block Gaming 83 says, Burke, I bet if you get a cigar like Nick, you may catch more. Ha ha ha.
Probably.
Butcher Block Gaming 83 says, thought you caught Swamp Thing lol.
Fish on.
I don't think it's big.
Oh, little one.
Oh, that's the baby right there.
There's your little baby.
Okay. I don't think he counts.
So I'm pretty sure we're just going to keep the worm on chat and not mess with the frog.
Block Gaming 83 says, have you told Nick about the half pontoon boat you have in Wisconsin?
Oh, yeah.
Fish.
Another one. Man, they're just all underneath these pads.
Not a big one.
Not a big one, but it's a good one. God, I just wonder if they'll hit the top water then. Got it? Yeah. Fook the frog.
Butcher Block Gaming 83 says, Nick with 11 caught and Burke with 5.
He's too small.
Yep. Just a little baby.
Butcher Block Gaming 83 says, I'm telling you, it's the cigar broski lol.
Yep. Nice. They're all under here and I'm in a bird's nest. That's great.
Gaming says, I see Nick is kicking your butt.
Yeah, he is. It's a good one.
Not a small one.
He's kicking my butt, but I'm in a bird's nest,
Patriot
so.
789 says, no, it's the cigar that's doing the trick for him.
See him off a little bit. I just saw one move right in that little hole right there.
Nice. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we're gonna be. Burkle here with Burktopian Adventures. Today was one of our best days here on Goose Lake. I got my PB bass of 4 pounds. Not only did we get one, I got 2. Me and Nick, we had our best day. Thank you for joining us on this Burktopian adventure. Catch me live daily on kick.com/Burkle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. See you on the next Burktopian adventure.